Hi everyone, this is Charlie from Voodoo Authentica of New Orleans. I am a spiritualist and medium, priest of Palo Mayombe and Voodoo. We wanted to share with you a very special blessing. One of the most powerful and beautiful gifts from God that if we keep our eye on the weather, we're able to collect only once a year. But if we do catch some of this water, we're able to use it all throughout the year in a multitude of ways for a ton of blessings. I'm talking about May water or May rainwater. May water comes from the very first rainfall in the month of May. Ideally, we collect it in glass jars. So this is my May water from last year. As you can see, I still have quite a bit of it left. A little of this goes a very long way. May water is spring cleaning's best friend. This water amplifies and hypercharges cleansings, clearings of energy, and brings transformation with its purity. It brings positivity, power, and protection. So, sprinkle a little bit of this in your cleansing baths. Drop a bit of the May water into your floor washes. Get creative with how you use May water. One of the ways I like to use it is to keep a vial of it close to me in a bag or while I'm traveling day to day. I use May water like holy water. So if I need to clear my head, if I'm in a rut of thought patterns that only lead to confusion and negativity, or if something is heavy on my heart and I want to clear and cleanse quickly while I'm out and about, I take a little bit of this in the vial and just brush it across myself. This blesses you, protects you, and moves the energy around with swift positive change. So, prepare to cultivate some of this in your own life, even if you leave a glass jar or bowl outside on your front porch. Remember, it's the first rain in May, and we only get one shot at collecting this. All of us at Voodoo Authentica, we kick ourselves when we are not able to get this, when we miss the opportunity or forget. So we're giving you this advance notice to share the blessing with you. Please know, at Voodoo Authentica, we are here for you 11 to 7, 7 days a week, to continue to aid you and guide you on your spiritual journey. We hope this was helpful, and come in and visit us at 612 Rue du Maine, or give us a call. We're always happy to connect with you. We'd love to hear how you use May water for blessings and all of your transformative results. Thank you so much.